In this tutorial, we'll create a rolling text animation in After Effects. We'll create a new composition based on the composition we created before. We'll set its size to 1000 by 300. Select the rectangle tool and draw a shape. Open the rectangle settings and set its size to 1000 by 300. Align the shape to the composition. Then, select the text tool and type in the appropriate text. Align it to the composition and adjust its size. Then, add the grid effect to the shape from the Effects menu. Set the blend mode to normal, the border to 2, and the corner to 250 by 800. Rename the composition to black. Duplicate the black composition and rename it to white. Open the white composition, set the fill color of the shape layer to white, the text to black, and the grid effect to black. Then, we drag both compositions to the timeline panel of the previously created composition and set their center points accordingly. Then, we copy them from both compositions and activate their 3D properties. We activate the rotation values. We set the first layer's X rotation value to 90 degrees. Let's select the 3D view as left. We don't need to do anything to the second layer. We activate the position of the third layer and set its value like this. We set its X rotation value to 90 degrees. We also activate the position of the fourth layer and set its value like this. We select the 3D view as default. Now, we create a new null object and activate the 3D property. We set the 3D view as left again and set the position value of the null object like this. We make all layers parents of the null object. We open the transform settings for the null and activate the position, X, and Z rotation keyframes. We set the depth position to 10,000, move to 3 seconds, and set the position to -250. We set the X rotation value to 8. We move to the first second, and set the Z rotation value to -3. We move to the second second, and set the Z rotation value to 0. We select all the keyframes and set them to easy ease. Now, we only select the position and X rotation keyframes and adjust the speed graph in the graph editor. That's all for this video. See you in the next videos.